So we'll start to see younger, healthier people requiring hospitalization and even intensive care.
It is pandemic math. As the number of cases rise, so will the number of those that will require hospitals or ICU. And today our province's top doc illustrating clearly COVID-19 is impacting folks from across a wide swath of age groups. A warning today from our Chief Provincial Public Officer of Health: the COVID spread is having wide-ranging impacts. Manitoba has 51 new cases Monday, 35 in Winnipeg, which has its active count hit 639, as the number of those in hospital and ICU up again.
We know that currently we have individuals hospitalized that are between the ages of 17 and 88. So we have individuals in their 20s, 30s, and 40s in the ICU.
With cases rising, so has the demand for testing, and a pledge from Health Minister Cameron Friesen that help will be on the way and they will double testing capacity soon.
That's the determinations that are going on now to figure out who do we need there, how many sites will we have, and how do we constitute the workforce at each of those sites.
Meanwhile, the promised new restrictions for bars and restaurants will be in place this week.
We plan to sign the orders at around noon, and they will come into force about 6 p.m. on Wednesday.
The orders end liquor sales at 10 p.m. and close an establishment by 11. It also requires staff to get details from one person in each party that will now be capped at 10 people.
Cases and contacts have occurred in later on in the evening, and I think it's later on if there's more alcohol being consumed, less attention to safeguards.
Friesen also providing an update on the Little Grand Rapids First Nation, which has a number of cases tied to events at the community center between September 24th and 27th, and featured other First Nations attending.
Chief and Council have directed that public gatherings are not permitted and community residents are required to stay at home. People should only leave their residence to seek testing or medical care, or to send one person from a household for essential supplies.
In Winnipeg, Jonas Gilbart, City News.